Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Petitcodiac is a village in southeastern New Brunswick, located along the Petitcodiac River about 35 kilometers west of Moncton. Around 1,400 people live here, making it a small community where many residents know one another. Even though the village is modest in size, it serves as a local center for nearby rural communities and offers a mix of services, shops, and businesses that support everyday life. The name Petitcodiac comes from the Mi'kmaq language and is generally understood to mean bends like a bow, describing the winding river that flows through the area. Long before European settlement, the Mi'kmaq traveled these waterways for transportation, fishing, and trade. The river has remained one of the defining features of the community throughout its history. European settlers began arriving in the area during the late 1700s. Farming quickly became the foundation of the local economy because of the fertile land surrounding the river valley. As the settlement grew, roads, churches, schools, and businesses were established, turning Petitcodiac into an important stopping point for people traveling across southeastern New Brunswick. One of the biggest changes came with the arrival of the railway during the 1800s. Petitcodiac became an important railway junction, connecting communities throughout the province and beyond. Passenger trains and freight trains helped move people, livestock, timber, and agricultural products, bringing new jobs and encouraging local businesses to grow. Although rail travel is no longer as important as it once was, the railway played a major role in shaping the village. Agriculture continues to be an important part of the local economy. Farms in the surrounding countryside produce dairy products, beef, poultry, potatoes, grains, and other crops. Forestry also remains significant, with nearby woodlands supporting logging and wood processing industries that have contributed to the region's economy for generations. Housing in Petitcodiac remains more affordable than in many larger Canadian cities. In recent years, the average price of a detached home has generally been around $350,000 to $450,000, although prices vary depending on the property's age, size, and location. The combination of lower housing costs and reasonable access to Moncton has attracted families, retirees, and people looking for a slower pace of life. Although Petitcodiac is a small village, its history reflects many of the themes found across rural New Brunswick. Indigenous heritage, early settlement, farming, the arrival of the railway, and a strong sense of community have all helped shape the village into what it is today. It continues to offer residents a balance between rural living and convenient access to one of the province's largest urban centers, making Petitcodiac an important part of southeastern New Brunswick. Thanks for watching!